Hi everyone and welcome back. I just have a little bit of money, like, I don't know, $50, $75. And I thought, should I go buy some shirts or some clothes? No, I decided to buy my kids food. I'm just kidding. I'm going grocery shopping. So I'm going to the place that I think I can get the most for my money. Want to see? It's one of those days in the valley where I can feel summer's like knocking on our door. It is May 5th, so Cinco de Mayo, and it's like gonna be 95 degrees. And this next week it's supposed to hit hundreds. Lucky Vegas, right? But so what I'm getting, one of the things I'm getting is ice cream. So I hope it comes. I have to hurry home and get it in the freezer because it's gonna melt. Ah! Here we are, my favorite, or one of my favorites. Love this place. I just walked in and look, the life-changing brownies. I think I came at a good time. There's hardly anybody here, and I say hardly, but you know what I mean. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, so all the good stuff's coming out. So I have to get some crackers and some cookies. So I kind of wanted to get with the store brand so I can get more. So $1.38 versus $2.56. I can almost get two. So loving it. Do you remember one of my hauls where I got one of these sets of cookies thinking, oh, that'll last a long time, and they were so good? Yeah, I'm gonna get those again. See, there's not a lot. Look at how I just have ginormous hands. Such cute, like, summer stuff, and they have like luggage over there and candles and pool supplies. Oh goodness, they have some cutie stuff here too. Look at this cute little grill. That is adorable and my favorite color. And ice buckets. I don't even need an ice bucket, but my goodness, that's the cutest color ever. How cute are these baskets? And look at these black and white ones. Oh, I love them. They're gorgeous. Pretty soon I'm going to be doing a haul that will include all of these open bins and this lovely, lovely meat section. Can't wait to show you. Want to see what I got? We'll get started, but before I do, I wanted to show you my shirt. I have another one like it, and I've had a couple of people ask, Walmart clearance, go now, $7. Yikes, I loved it, so that's why I had to get two. And also I wanted to show you my bracelets. So you might see them in when I'm doing some cooking or whatever, and if you see me wearing them in other videos, these are, a friend of mine bought them, my friend Brittany bought them for me when my mom passed away. So every time I wear them, I think of Brittany being so kind, and actually there were lots of people being very kind. But I also think about my mother. So I just like to be reminded. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off by telling everybody I spent $107. So that's a little bit more than I wanted to spend, and you'll see why that happened. And it's probably because I got two of the ice cream. So I'm making something right now that you'll see I'm filming. It's gonna be deep fried ice cream cake. So I need one of those. And the other one is for my son. He's making some apple pie. So I'm really excited to have that. Some pizza for lunches. And then here's the healthier section, you know, yummy watermelon, green apples are so good. That's what's gonna go in the pie. The boys are loving the oranges, the little mini ones. And I keep the skins to put into the disposal. It's a win-win. And I love them too, they're really good. We eat a lot of potatoes. That's just our family. If you've been following along, we love frying potatoes, baking them, not grilling them, mashed potatoing. We like potatoes. Ezra likes these, and I'm going to be shredding that up to make some quesadillas today for Cinco de Mayo, which is why I have 3 bags of chips. Also, at the end, I'm going to show you what I do with some of these things, and with that, We don't normally buy ballpark franks, but I do like beef franks. So I'm going to be making some pigs in a blanket. This is going with another recipe I'll show you soon. This is store brand Crystal Light. It's for Ezra a lot of the time because I just need him to drink more liquid, more waters. Boys were asking for some pretzels, and those chips will go for with the pigs in the blanket with those as a snack or a lunch or something. Those are for my class, and of course this right here is for Mama. Not all of it, mostly this one. And then I just need a couple crackers, but really the boys, we like to make Lunchables with their stuff, so our own Lunchables. So just some sliced cheese, maybe some lunch meat, things that they can spread on their crackers. It's super good. This is going to be for one of our meals. We're going to have some spaghetti, so I thought we could have some salad. This will go with the recipe. So one of them is for the recipe, and then one is going to go with something I'm going to show you down there. A couple of ground beefs, running low on some peanut butter, which is super good on the green apples. And then I bought some tortillas. I'm not a fan of buying tortillas from the store, so I try to find them pretty thin and as authentic as looking as possible. So I haven't used this brand, but they look pretty good. So I'm just making quesadillas out of them anyways, and if there's leftovers, I'll make some breakfast burritos for the boys. But it's kind of weird that when I go to the store and I see the other store brands, how puffy they feel. That's not cool for me. I mean, if you love puffy tortillas, that's you, but I like more authentic. So Grandma's Sycamore, that we go through so much, or so quickly. Okay, one of my sons, he just likes to come home and have taquitos after school. And the corn flakes is going to go with the deep fried ice cream recipe I'm going to make, and I'll show you soon. That's going to be out tonight. I also have some other Mexican cookies. And to go with that, I have a plethora of treats here. The life-changing brownies. Oh, also I got some of these for my son's party. So I'm super excited. I don't think they're very big, but I think they'll be fine. And they were just $1.88, so I'm super excited about that. And then one of those whipped creams will go with, you know, to balance out all the sugary sweet. We got I thought, let's try sugar-free. I'm just kidding. It'll be fine. But I got raspberry and strawberry just for like midweek, just a little something for the boys. And then these, let's see. I already know I like those. Those are so good. But these ones were calling my name. And those ones especially. Yum. Oh. So one of the things that I'm making, I'm kind of crouching down. One of the things that I'm making is some pigs in a blanket. So I got the hot dogs. I got them here. And I always keep about 4 or 5 of these like frozen doughs in the back freezer because you just never know where you're going to use them. So they look like this. Here's a pan, and so I'm just letting it rise. So I thought I would use this as the dough part. So I'm just cutting them into strips using my pastry cutter. So I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to cut it in little strips and then wrap them around the hot dog. They might even be a little spirally, but that's okay because it looks so good and it's going to taste yummy. Just putting them in a 350-degree oven and baking them until they're golden brown. And here they are. They are yummy to eat too, and little puffies. Some of them unrolled, so they're kind of more like buns with the hot dog in it, but it's a nice little snack. So that's one of the things I did in my WinCo haul. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't ordered a cookbook, you can email me at howinesrolls@gmail.com. It's $25 for the cookbooks. Again, have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on your favorite things to eat in the summertime. Summer's coming up and I need some more recipes. I have some ideas, but I'd love to hear what your favorite summer go-tos are. So have a great day.